Hey everybody, this is Ionacus, and today I'm doing a review for Beast Wars Scarem. Scarem here is definitely one of the uglier, crazier looking Beast Wars characters. I mean, these are his hands. He's got blades on buzzsaws for hands. And it's just crazy. I got him cheap a few years back. I think it was from a Big Bad Toy Store. And I was part of a little group on cybertron.com. There's a bunch of just people that owned Scarem, and I don't know, it was 15 years ago, whatever. But mostly got oranges, gold plastic, maybe. I don't know. It's still a sturdy figure. No real good posability in his legs at all. Does got waist articulation. I mean, he does got the pin joints and the ball joints in the legs here. But considering that they tap in together here, you really can't bend them at the knees. And his arms bend sideways with ball joint in the shoulders. Head doesn't turn very well, but what can you do? Just one of the crazier Beast Wars characters. Stabby hands. For his beast mode, you rotate the waist, you bring the arms down, you flip these two pieces, the waist piece comes up. Like that. Allows the shell to go on together right like that. And you pull the arms inward. And you bring the legs down. That's how they go in, like that. You turn these like that. There we go, that popped in right. Straighten out the legs like this. They're a little weird position. He's just a crazy looking little weird scarab bug. ugly little bugger, though. And he was just a ground troop for the Predacons. And many disposable troops that Beast Megatron had, according to the bios. I have a knockoff of him floating around somewhere that I actually bought after I got this. It was like $2. I don't remember why I bought it, but no, I think I sold it. I think I had taken all those quick change beast fighters to my shop, but let's scare them. Metallic blue on there. There's a Transmetal. That's right, use a Transmetal 2 from the Transmetal 2 series of Scouts. I'd love to see an updated version of him. That would be kind of cool. Anyway, I'm just under 7 minutes for this video, and I've already talked long enough about scarem, and it's probably humanly possible. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, and hit the bell, leave comments down below, and I'll see you next time.